Good morning students. Today I am going to start your first lesson, that is सूरज की किरणें आती है. सूरज means sun, किरणें means rays. सूरज की किरणें आती है means to come. Where the sun rays are coming? Sun rays usually fall on the earth, no? And it is the brightest star on the sky. It is the brightest star in the sky, and it removes the entire darkness on the earth. So let us begin our lessons. सूरज की किरणें आती है. सूरज की किरणें आती है, सारी कलियां खिल जाती है, अंधकार सब खो जाता है, सब जग सुंदर हो जाता है. चिड़िया गाती है मिलजुल कर, बहते हैं उनके मीठे स्वर. ठंडी ठंडी हवा सुहानी, चलती है जैसी मस्तानी. खो देते हैं आलस सारा, और काम लगता है प्यारा. सुबह भली लगती है उनको, मेहनत प्यारी लगती जिनको. मेहनत सबसे अच्छा गुण है, आलस बहुत बड़ा दुर्गुण है. अगर सुबह भी आलस अलसा जाए, तो क्या जग सुंदर हो पाए. श्री प्रसाद. This poem is written by Shri Prasad. Okay, let us start. सूरज की किरणें आती हैं, सारी कलियां खिल जाती है, अंधकार सब खो जाता है, सब जग सुंदर हो जाता है. So whenever the sun rays are falling on the birds, see here sari kaliya means birds, birds. Bird means the before part of the flower. So whenever the sun rays are falling on the earth, no, the birds gets blooming, means they start enjoying, they're waiting for the sunlight. All the birds are waiting for the sun rays. अंधकार सब खो जाता है, the entire darkness will deleted from the world. The entire darkness means up to that time there will be complete darkness. See, midnight, there will be darkness, no. Whenever the sun rises, no, slowly the darkness will be removed, and the sab jag sundar ho jata hai, and the entire world, the complete world becomes very beautiful. Okay children, so the meaning of this first stanza is, whenever the sun rays are falling, no, all the birds get blooming, and the entire darkness will be removed because of the sun rays, and the entire world looks very beautiful. Now let's go to the second stanza. चिड़िया गाती है मिलजुल कर, बहते हैं उनके मीठे स्वर. ठंडी ठंडी हवा सुहानी, चलती है जैसे मस्तानी. Here चिड़िया means birds, birds, birds. बड़ी चिड़िया गाती है मिलजुल कर, all the birds singing together. All the birds singing together. Did you observe any time early morning time, all the birds starts means all the birds fly together to search their food. All the birds at a time they start their beginning, they start their day, and they sings together, they search their food. If we see that birds in the sky, no, we feel very good. बहते हैं उनके मीठे स्वर, and all the birds swar, मीठे स्वर, all the birds start singing with their beautiful tone, with their sweet voice they used to sing together. ठंडी ठंडी हवा सुहानी. ठंडी ठंडी हवा सुहानी means the cool breeze. ठंडी ठंडी हवा सुहानी. Morning time the breeze will be very cool. It it gives us very pleasure. We feel very pleasant at that time because of that air. It is not very hot, it is very cool. That's why early morning only the people used to go for do their exercise. They used to go for walking because that air is very good. mm, Means that air will be very pure. That air will is very pure at that time. That's why doctors or many people use suggest us to do our works, exercise or walking at that time. Okay, chalti hai jaisi mastani. That air also means how the cool breeze comes, no, like that is overjoyed, that is, it is enjoying at that time. It enjoys and it gives joy to us also. Okay, खो देते हैं आलस सारा और काम लगता है प्यारा. खो देते हैं आलस सारा means we all forget our tiredness. No, we all forget our tiredness because during we'll no night time we used to take a rest because we all tired, and we used to take rest in the night time. So when we woke up, no, we remove all the tiredness and we feel very good, we feel very better. So we can start our beginning, means we can start our work. और काम लगता है प्यारा means we all removed our tiredness now, so we can start our work with a new energy. सुबह भली लगती है उनको, मेहनत प्यारी लगती जिनको. Subah means many. See, if we see who feels good to सुबह भली लगती है. Many people like to work in the morning time. Who are they? They are farmers, like farmers or laborers, the people who do hard works. No, they used to work during the morning time because it's not too sunny. So that's why, and they have lots of energy at that time, so they used to work at that time. So the people who used to do hard work, no, they like that morning time very much. Now, see the next stanza. मेहनत सबसे अच्छा गुण है, आलस बहुत बड़ा दुर्गुण है. मेहनत means hard work. Hard work is very good quality. Here the poet is telling hard work is very good quality. And आलस means laziness. Laziness is very bad habit. लेजीनेस इज़ वेरी बैड हैबिट. अगर सुबह भी आलस अलसा जाए तो क्या जग सुंदर हो पाए. इफ़ यू इमेजिन, इफ़ द मॉर्निंग, इफ़ द सन गेट्स टायर्ड एंड द सन से नो आई डोंट वांट टू कम टुडे, does the world looks beautiful? Can we do our works? No. So here how the sun is very active, how the sun starts its day, and the same way we too have to become very energetic, and we have to start our day. Okay children, so this is the poem Shri Prasad. This poem